Assalamualaikum, dear all. Today I want to show you 6.6 kV medium voltage switchgear home. So we have all these ABB Unigear pin. You can see for plant line 1 to 4 BA1. So first I will show you the source. One source is this transformer. This comes 13.8 kV for plant. Okay. The other source is generator 4, generator 3, generator 2, generator 1. And this is GA1. You can see this is a transformer E11 1T1. Come to U01. Okay. 6.6 kV. Switch port EG1. X1 is 1. EG1 X1 is 1. Dot U01. Incomer from transformer E11 1T1. Okay. So we have this here. This is a incomer from generator EG1-1G4. And the other is the switchgear. Okay. This is the outgoing feeder. Cement mill 1. Motor. You can see this is BA1. BA1 switchgear. Okay. Now I show you BA2. We have also one source from the transformer. We have also one source from the transformer. Okay. You can see in the remaining source generator 5, generator 6 and generator 7. Okay. So let's I come to show you. You can see 6.6 kV switch port ED1 1 is 2. ED1 1 is 2. Dot U01 incomer from transformer E11 1T2. Okay. This is the outgoing feeder. This is also outgoing feeder. This is from generator 7. You can see. This is from generator 6. And we have the other this area. This is a BA. You can see this is a BA3. Okay, let's take two source. One from U12. Okay. And the other is also from U12. One is the BA1 U12 and the second one is BA2 U12. Okay, this will come to this area. This area we have the transfer. This is generator com. This is a transformer. Okay, I show you the area. This is a BA3 area. Alright, so and also pitch. This is a BA3 area. Okay. So the synchronization panel. Before I show you, we have two transformer. One transformer is this one. The other one is this. And we have 7 generator. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7. And this is the synchronization panel. Okay. Can see.